Hello, fellow traders. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options. You know, for a long time, I have been teaching a strategy class called the 3-8 Trap. And if you look on the YouTube channel, you'll find some videos on that exact strategy. And I got to tell you guys, this has been one of those strategies that has helped so many people be productive. And I've taught it to hundreds and hundreds of people that have just seen their trading go from poor to unbelievable. As a matter of fact, one of the people that took the class reported that so far this year they have earned 6 figures using this strategy. And for the very first time, I'm going to open this class up to the public. I've been teaching it exclusively for members of Right Way Options and Hit and Run Candlesticks. But if you have an interest in this class, you might want to check it out. Now, it's going to be on February 25th at 2:30 p.m. Eastern in the afternoon. And you have to settle in because it's a pretty substantial class. It goes 3 hours at a minimum. I want to stick around and answer everyone's questions. We go through all the details. I essentially open up my trading book and give you everything. The rules, I even go over how to help you set up some ideas for your trading plan. And we'll look on how to find these, how to identify these trades, how to put them together, how to set stops, how to take profits, and go through the whole process. So if you have an interest in this, please don't wait because these classes fill up very fast. And if you just look in the link below, there'll be a link back and you can check it out and see if it's right for you. I want to wish you all success in your trading and thank you for watching the Right Way Options YouTube channel. Take care, have a great day.